In this video we are going to see how to Photoshop terminals. Well, this is the 100 subscribers special video, that's why I thought of making it a special one. I think this is useful for everyone especially for students. Now let's get open the browser and type image to color. Get ready your terminal. Okay, I have to edit this terminal. Now go to this link pinetools.com /image color picker. Now select the file you want to Photoshop. This is the file I want to click on open. Now select the background because we are going to erase the words here. These are IP addresses. To erase the IP address we need to get the background color. This will exactly find the background color. This is note these values here: RGB 48 10 36 48 10 36. Now go to the file, click on that, right click and open with paint. Here go to edit colors. Now type the values you just saw there: 48 10 36. Click on OK. Now select brush, increase the size. I am going to paint over this. You can see it's like magic. Okay, now we are going to add the another IP address there. We need to get the same font. I will give the Ubuntu terminal font in the description. You can download from there. Click on this text icon and the size, the name of the font is Ubuntu Mono. I will give this in the description, and font size should be 12, default font size for terminal. And I will give IP address as something like 198 sheet in the white color. Okay. 198.162.254.2. Okay, I am going to align it in the same line. Click on somewhere. Yeah, it looks perfect. I click on this and I will type something: 198.162.254.10, something like that. Now it should be the same line and click anywhere. We'll zoom in and see if this looks. You can see this looks exactly as on the terminal. Now you just need to save as PNG where you want to, desktop, save. Okay, now let's see. This is the Photoshop one. This is the original one. Original one is here. You can see, wait a minute, this one and this one, this and this. It looks same, right?